Nigeria's oil money is finished. Are you people hearing? Since February, March, April, May, and June, and last month June, NNPC has not remitted 1 kobo to Nigeria Federation. They did not pay in kobo to the Federation account. Are you people hearing? The only money Nigeria is getting is from people that they are collecting from customs money and tax collectors. That is the only money they are sharing. Oil money has finished. Hope people are hearing.
Our currency has become the weakest in the sub-region, weaker than the CFA. A nation is not run as if it's your private enterprise. A serious National Assembly will be calling the president, who doubles as the Minister of Petroleum, to come and answer charges. Really?
They say that
is an impeachable offense. The man doubles as the Minister of Petroleum. But they have something coming.
All right.
And they will be shocked at what will come at them. 14. A serious National Assembly will not just be calling military, it's too small.